In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an n8n node. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with n8n, this guide will walk you through each step, making the process simple and effective. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign in to your n8n account. This could either be through n8n Cloud or a self-hosted instance. If you haven't set up n8n yet, you'll want to make sure you have your login information handy. Once you're signed in, you're ready to get started. Next, we're going to open or create a workflow. If you want to start fresh, you can do this by clicking on the New Workflow option. However, if you already have a workflow in progress and wish to add a new node to it, simply select your existing workflow from the list. This flexibility allows you to either start from scratch or build on your current projects, ensuring you maximize your workflow potential. With your workflow open, it's time to add a new node. You'll notice a plus icon labeled Add Node on the workflow canvas. Click this button to open the node selection menu. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for the task you want n8n to perform. Once you have opened the node menu, use the search bar to find the specific node you're interested in. This tool is powerful and allows you to quickly locate the node type you need without having to scroll through a long list. You might be looking to incorporate functionalities from nodes like HTTP requests for API calls, Gmail for sending emails, Google Sheets for data manipulation, Slack for team communication, or perhaps even OpenAI for some AI-driven tasks. Other popular options include the set node to define static data, the code node for custom JavaScript, or the if node for branching logic. After you've typed in your desired node in the search bar, a list of available nodes will appear. Here's where you simply click on the name of the node to add it to your workflow. This action will immediately place the node on your canvas, where you can start configuring it as per your needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a node to your n8n workflow. Creating and configuring nodes in n8n empowers you to automate complex tasks with ease, turning your workflows into powerful tools. Remember, the key is to experiment and explore various nodes to see how they can enhance your processes. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and happy automating with n8n.